In today's video, I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about the power of finding deals. The power of finding deals. Now, before we get into the details of this video, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube page if you haven't already. If you have already subscribed, thank you so very kindly. Make sure your notifications are on so that as we drop new content, you'll be the first notified. Now, let's get to the bag here with this video. Finding deals. This is a question I get from people all the time. How do I find deals? As a matter of fact, some of the more pessimistic people that I talk to always say, man, I can't find no good deals. Well, one of the reasons why finding deals seem to be hard to entrepreneurs who would like to be real estate investors, but they're on the sidelines speculating real estate investing. One of the reasons why it's very hard and almost impossible for some of them to find deals because they don't understand that finding deals is all about being able to create deals. I want you to wrap your mind around that. So you really don't find a deal. You happen to find a property. And when you're able to look at the analytics or the inside or under the hood of that particular property, you're able to create the deal, not necessarily find the deals. I know a lot of people out there just looking at real estate, but they can't find the deal because finding is really creating. Well, if finding a deal is creating a deal, how do you create a deal? Well, to me, creating a deal is being able to understand the ins and outs of how to underwrite a deal. We're talking about comping properties correctly, looking at the analytics of how much it costs to acquire the property, how much it costs to exit the property, knowing your exit strategy. So they're like pieces of the puzzle that make up underwriting. But if you really want to find a deal, you're not going to just go to Zillow, go to Redfin, go to PropStream, go to Batch Leads, or just drive for dollars and quote unquote find a deal. What you're going to do is find properties or addresses of properties that meet your investment criteria or that fit your buy box. You're going to drop them on platforms like Batch Leads or PropStream, and you're going to break down the analytics so that you can create a deal based on how sophisticated and skilled you are at underwriting the deal. Now, I hope this video didn't go over your head. I just wanted to bring some clarity to the power of finding deals, because if you're going to find deals, the reason why you're finding deals is because you're creating deals. And if you're creating deals, the reason why you're creating deals is because you are sophisticated and skilled in underwriting the analytics, the comps, and the metrics of that particular property. If you need help on learning how to become sophisticated and skilled at underwriting deals, I want you to click the link in the description. We have courses on underwriting. We have training walkthrough videos on underwriting. We have weekly coaching calls where we do underwriting exercises. We have regular meetups where we just come in as a group and we just underwrite real deals. There's no hypothetical examples here. There are real life examples, because we know a lot of people who are just trying to find deals never find deals because they don't know how to create deals through underwriting deals. I'll see you in the next video.